SMTP enumeration. Basically, email server use SMTP to send email to the target email ID. Here you can see mail server use basically POP3, IMAP and SMTP. POP3 uses TCP port 110 and 995 and IMAP uses TCP port 143 and 993 and SMTP uses port number 25. So here I will show you how we can enumerate SMTP port to confirm which email ID are present on the target mail server as a recipient or as a sender. So let's begin. First log in into Kali Linux operating system and now use nslookup command for target domain name. Target domain name is hackthisite.org. You can also use only nslookup command and just define DNS record type and use domain name of the target. Here you can see mail information of the target organization. So now let me use telnet for this email server's domain name and use port number 25. And it's amazing, I can able to connect with the aspmx2.googleemail.com. Now let me check with hello command our test.com and it's returning message mx.google.com at your service. It's working fine. Now let me check email ID is present or not on the target email server, and email ID is itnuggets6@gmail.com. Give enter. We are receiving OK message, means it is present. We can also check recipient email ID address using rcpt command and define email address and give enter. And as a recipient, it is not working. Let me cross check spelling. Yes, I used the from. It's mistake. Use rcpt2 itnuggets6@gmail.com and give enter. And it's working. It is present. So hope you understand how we can cross-check that which IP address are present on the target email server. So now let me use another pretty command. It's a SMTP user enumeration. You can see -m is used for more method to use for username guessing like expand, verify or recipient. -u used for user, t used for host. So let me use SMTP user enum. More will be recipient. For user, itnuggets6@gmail.com. Use host name, and host name is aspmx2.googleemail.com. Give enter, and now you can see user is available. Port number is 25. Worker process 5 running. Recipient. So hope you understand how we can enumerate SMTP users information using SMTP-user-enum command and tell@command. So thank you for watching this video.